Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate and marshmallows. Start by gathering all your ingredients and tools. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Don't forget your marshmallows for topping. A saucepan and a whisk are essential for creating a smooth, delicious drink that everyone will love. Now let's make the hot chocolate base. In your saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk until there are no lumps. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it's hot but not boiling. Once your hot chocolate is hot and smooth, remove it from the heat. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. This simple addition truly elevates the taste, making it even more special. Carefully pour your warm, inviting hot chocolate into your favorite mug, preparing it for the final delightful touch. The best part is adding the marshmallows. Pile a generous handful of your favorite marshmallows on top of your hot chocolate. For an extra special touch, you can microwave them for about 10 to 15 seconds until they are slightly melted and gooey. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.